Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best DVD players that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Do you miss the feeling of inserting a CD and listening to full albums the way they were meant to be heard? Or maybe you have a collection of CDs sitting unused because modern devices don't support them anymore. Streaming is convenient, but it often lacks that warm, nostalgic sound and physical experience. If you're looking for a simple, stylish way to bring your CD collection back to life, this might be exactly what you need. This is the Citroen R300 Portable Bluetooth CD Player, a compact, retro-style CD player designed for home listening with modern connectivity. The Citroen R300 combines vintage design with modern function. It supports CD playback with high-quality audio output, giving you that classic listening experience. It includes Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it to wireless speakers or headphones easily. There's also AUX output and SPDIF digital output, giving you flexible connection options for different sound systems. It features a built-in rechargeable battery, making it portable and convenient for use anywhere in your home. The compact design and retro aesthetic make it not just a player, but also a stylish desktop piece. Pros: stylish retro design, Bluetooth plus wired connectivity options, portable with rechargeable battery, good audio output for CD lovers. Cons: no built-in speakers, premium price compared to basic CD players, limited to CD-focused use only. This is perfect for music lovers who still own CD collections, especially those who value nostalgia and audio quality. It's also great for people who want a minimalist, stylish desktop CD setup with modern Bluetooth support. At around $89.54, it's not the cheapest option, but it offers a mix of retro charm, portability, and modern connectivity, making it a solid value for CD enthusiasts. Number 4. This is the Origbally External CD/DVD Drive, a slim, portable USB 3.0 Type-C drive for laptops and desktops that can read, write, and burn CDs and DVDs. The Origbally External Drive is designed for modern devices without built-in disk drives. It supports CD and DVD reading and writing, including CD burning and DVD recording, making it useful for data backup and media use. With USB 3.0 and Type-C compatibility, it connects easily to laptops, desktops, and even newer ultra-thin notebooks. It is plug-and-play, meaning no extra software or drivers are needed for most systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It also includes error correction technology, helping improve disk reading stability, along with noise reduction features for quieter operation. The ultra-slim 13mm portable design makes it easy to carry in a laptop bag, perfect for travel or office use. Pros: very affordable price. Works with USB-A and USB-C devices. Plug-and-play setup. Lightweight and portable. Supports CD/DVD reading and burning. Cons: no Blu-ray support. Performance depends on disc quality. No premium build feel. This is ideal for students, office users, and anyone using modern laptops without CD/DVD drives. It's also great for people who need a budget-friendly solution for installing software, accessing old discs, or backing up data. At just $21.99, it's a very budget-friendly tool that brings full CD/DVD functionality back to modern laptops. Strong value for basic and everyday use. Number 3. This is the Sony BDPS-1700U Blu-ray DVD player, a compact home entertainment player that delivers full HD Blu-ray playback with modern HDMI connectivity. The Sony BDPS-1700U is built for high-quality movie playback at home. It supports Blu-ray discs and standard DVDs, giving you access to both modern HD movies and your old DVD collection. With full HD 1080p resolution, 1920 by 1080, it delivers sharp and detailed picture quality on compatible TVs. It includes DVD upscaling, which improves older DVDs by enhancing their visual clarity closer to HD quality. For audio, it supports Dolby Digital True HD and DTS surround sound, giving a more cinematic home theater experience. Connectivity is simple with HDMI output, and it even comes with an HDMI cable included, so setup is quick and easy. The design is compact, lightweight, and perfect for minimal home entertainment setups. Pros: excellent Sony build quality, full HD Blu-ray playback, DVD upscaling improves old discs, Dolby True HD and DTS support, easy HDMI plug-and-play setup. Cons: no 4K Blu-ray support, limited smart features, no apps/streaming, basic interface compared to smart players. This is perfect for movie lovers who want a simple, reliable Blu-ray player. It's great for people who still use DVD/Blu-ray collections and want a clean, no-fuss home theater setup without streaming complexity. At around $114.99, it offers solid value for a trusted Sony Blu-ray experience. You're paying for reliable performance, strong picture quality, and long-lasting durability, making it a good budget home theater upgrade. Number 2. This is the 18-inch portable DVD player by PJGCWB, a large-screen, travel-friendly DVD player with a 15.6-inch swivel display and Bluetooth headset support. This portable DVD player is designed for on-the-go entertainment and home convenience. It features a 15.6-inch HD swivel LCD screen, giving you a large, clear viewing experience that can rotate for flexible angles. It supports a wide range of formats including DVD, CD, VCD, SVCD, MP3, and JPEG, making it highly versatile for media playback. One standout feature is Bluetooth headphone support, allowing you to watch movies wirelessly without disturbing others. It also includes a high-volume built-in speaker, useful when you don't want to use headphones. For connectivity, it supports AV in and AV out, so you can connect it to TVs or external devices easily. The package also includes an extra carrying bag, making it more travel-friendly for road trips or family use. Pros: large 15.6-inch swivel HD screen, Bluetooth headset support, wide format compatibility, comes with carrying bag, good for travel and home use. Cons: no Blu-ray support, bulkier than smaller portable players. Battery life depends on usage. Interface is fairly basic. This is ideal for families, travelers, and kids' entertainment during long trips. It's also great for people who want a large-screen portable DVD setup for watching movies without relying on smart streaming devices. At $109.99, it sits in the mid-range portable DVD category. You're paying for a big screen, Bluetooth support, and travel convenience, making it a solid value for offline entertainment anywhere. Number 1. This is the Pafoto 17.5-inch portable TV/DVD player, a feature-packed portable entertainment system with a 15.6-inch HD swivel screen and built-in TV tuner. The Pafoto portable player is designed for all-in-one entertainment anywhere. It features a 15.6-inch HD swivel LCD screen, giving you flexible viewing angles for movies and TV. It supports a wide range of formats including DVD, CD, VCD, SVCD, MP4, MP3, WMA, JPEG, and more, making it highly versatile for media playback. A key highlight is the built-in ATSC TV tuner and FM radio, allowing you to watch live TV channels without internet. It also includes HDMI input, USB, microSD card support, and AV output, giving you multiple ways to connect devices. The rechargeable battery makes it fully portable, perfect for travel, outdoor use, or power backup situations. It's compatible with many disc formats but does not support Blu-ray. Pros: built-in TV tuner plus FM radio, large 15.6-inch swivel HD screen, supports many file formats, multiple input options, HDMI, USB, SD, AV, rechargeable battery for portability. Cons: no Blu-ray support, slightly bulky for ultralight travel. Menu system is basic. Mid-level build quality. This is perfect for travelers, families, and users who want both DVD and live TV in one device. It's also great for road trips, camping, or areas with limited internet access where offline entertainment matters. At $119.99, it offers strong value for an all-in-one portable TV plus DVD system. You're paying for versatility, screen size, and live TV support, making it more than just a DVD player. If you found this helpful, check the link in the description for the latest price and deals. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews like this.